Hey guys, this looks like a fun one. Our goal is to use these balls to collect all these stars. And last time I did one of these, somebody challenged me to do this in one equation. So let's see if we can do it in one equation. Every time it automatically hits this star, and I'm hoping by chance it'll hit this star one time. So I might only have to do one line down here. So it's going to be y equals negative x minus 12. And what is that? 1/3? No, 1/2. Okay, there it is. So then we got to go down half step to 12.5. So this might be it. Let's see if it'll accidentally hit this one star. Okay, no, 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 no. Yeah, I don't think it's ever going to hit this star. Oh, it's so close. Okay, so now we need another line right here so that it'll hit this star as well. And these two lines together make a V shape, which means we can use an absolute value. This is what an absolute value looks like. Y equals absolute value of X. It'll make a V shape. And then from here, we can move the absolute value left and right. We can go inside with the X, do a minus A. And as we move it to the left, it'll go left. And to the right, it'll go right. Or if we want to move it down, we can do a plus B on the outside. And as we slide the B, it'll move up and down. So we can go over here with our absolute value function. This is vertical right now. To get it sideways, we can swap the X and the Y. So we can say X equals the absolute value of Y minus A plus B. Now we have this sideways absolute value. Let's turn these off so we can see it. And now we can move it left and right with the B and up and down with the A. And let's put this right into place. We got to fix the slope. Since this was negative 1/2, we want to make this a 1/2 in front here. The reason I didn't do negative 1/2 is that would flip the absolute value the other way. So if we do a negative 1/2, it's going to point that way. So we want to make it a positive 1/2. And now we got to move this down a little bit. We'll do that with the A. Now let's go a little bit to the left, or no, to the right. Okay, right there. So this should do it, but first we got to take a bite out of this so that the ball will fall down here. Let's do the equation of a circle, which is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. This will give us a circle centered at 0, 0 with a radius of 1. And let's move it to here. So we're going to go down 7. So we'll say plus 7 inside with the y. And we're going to go to the left 5, so we'll say plus 5 inside with the x. And then since we want to take a bite out of this, we want to do everything outside of the circle. So we're going to say greater than 1. So notice where all the purple stuff is. We're going to keep all the purple stuff and get rid of the white stuff. Now we can do that by applying a restriction to this equation. We can do the squiggle brackets, and then we're going to plug this, copy paste it right in there. And now we can turn this off and we have the bite right there. So the ball should go through here, down there, and into there. Now it did say to do it in one equation. And right now we have 6 equations. Let's get rid of these and let's plug in negative 4.1 for B, and we can get rid of this. And in the place of the A, we can plug in negative 8.4. So this is going to be a plus 8.4. And we don't need this anymore. And now we got it down to one equation. Let's see if we solved it. Success. How exciting.